Going to show you here how to make some fun baubles on your crochet log cabin square. I love making baubles. They're such a fun texture. See how they stick up? Gives you a little bit of a raised lumpy bumpy, and they're really easy to make when you do it this way too. So we're going to make the baubles with the wrong side of our work facing us. Because of the way they're made, that texture wants to poke out to the back side of your work. So we want to make sure that the back side, as you're working it, is actually the right side of your fabric. So I've actually already done the first couple of single crochets of the row, and that's going to have me in place and ready to do our first bobble. So all a bobble basically is 4 double crochets in this case that you do half of, and then finish them all up in one swoop at the end. So we're going to wrap and poke into that stitch, the next one, and pull up a loop, wrap through 2, and stop there. And we're going to do that 4 times. So there's wrap, go through 2 loops. So now I've got 3, wrap, poke, pull up a loop, go through 2. There's 4 loops on the hook. You'll know you're done when you have 5 loops on your hook. Wrap, pull through 2. So there we go, 5 loops on the hook. Then we're going to wrap and pull through all of them. And you can see how tall that is, how much yarn it's eaten up. Then when you go to make your next single crochet, it pulls it down, and that's what makes that lump, the bobble. Now we're going to go again. And you're going to crochet, can't remember how many it says, 3, 5, I don't know. You'll do a few single crochets in between. I'm going to do 3. And then you're going to begin a double crochet right there, wrap, wrap and go through 2, wrap, poke, pull up a loop, wrap and go through 2. So I've done 2 of them. Wrap, poke, pull up a loop, wrap and go through 2. 1 more to go. Wrap, poke, pull up a loop, wrap and go through 2. Whoops. So if they fell off, if they fall off, just start over or go back as far as you need to. I think I lost 2 of them. Yep, got 1 more to go. Okay, got 5 loops, wrap, go through all of them. So it's as easy as that. And on this row, you're only doing 1 row of the purple color. So when you're all done with this row, I'm going to pretend I'm done. Do another single crochet or 2, pretend I'm at the end. You're going to cut your purple off and end it because you'll be done for a little bit. Actually, you're done. There's only 1 stripe of bobbles. And then you're going to come back here to the beginning of the row. If I can find it. To pick up your white or whatever your main color is. And you're going to pull up a loop in that first single crochet of the row and chain 1 to begin working on this side again. So you're going to do 2 wrong sides in a row on your bobble row. And then once you've gone back over with the white, then you're just going to turn and work back and forth as usual. So I'll turn it over. There's your bobble, sticking up. See it from the front, from the top. And here's what it's going to look like on your finished piece. The bobble, looks like there's 5 in between. They're fun to make. Have a great time.